Okay, so we are going to have a first possible test of the Lucid mount, if I get my will through. So it's also the first time I'm actually carrying this stuff around. So I will remove the OTA. Yeah, it's just about 5 kilos really, but it's a big thing that's gonna swing around and cause a big, well, yeah, weight imbalance. So we're gonna remove that.
I saw you dancing like heavy smoke.
Yes, so I invite you to join me to watch myself breaking my back on this. Yes, so let's see. First impression on the weight of the Lucid mounts. So this is actually quite nice. It's like a rounded thing, supposed to be a tire here. Prop my arm, elbow in it. Yeah, I've got the handle here from the CGX mount. Right. That'll be okay. I can carry that outside. It's only another, well, 20 meters-ish. Okay, so here we go.
Have you fixed that treasured heart that's so broke? Here is a safe for me. Give this a meaning. Do you wanna feel the rush when somebody is listening?
Okay, so I actually laid out. That was okay, yeah, that distance. It's okay. So I made some marks here from last time I used the Lucid mount here for the tripod stands, which will give me like a rough north pointing. So I'm gonna try to just aim for them, yeah, and then when I do my polar alignment, which I need to prepare the polar scope attachment for. Yes, I do. Yeah, so if that's all done, I'll make some new marks and all that here. Yeah. So get the OTA out. Marvelous. So let's just go west. And we can also go maybe north. Brilliant. Look at it go. Does it clear it? Yes, it does. Excellent. So I can stop there. Maybe I can go a little bit further east. There we go. So, from this position then, I will do my polar alignment and all that as soon as we're done here. Okay, so we're waiting for darkness. We have clouds coming in. It's gonna come in off and on during the night here. So we'll have to just wait it out. All I really want for tonight is to polar align, do a guide calibration, and just guide on a target. I don't even have to start the imaging camera. All I want is to see how I'm guiding. The danger of leaving your beer out summer evenings. Yeah, this guy almost had a drink. Bastard. luckily, we have a whole house of slug-eating ducks here, so they'll get their drunk ass in the morning. Yeah, we got the rig up, running, pointing towards Andromeda. I thought, well, let's go for something I know. Yep. Now I'm looking at the tree here. Now usually I call that wind. Yeah. Yeah. It's very calm. Yeah, very calm. But there is this slight flutter in the air. So we'll see how things work here. Managed to do a polar alignment. Yeah. I had to adjust this thing right here, move that as far down as I could almost, so that I can get this up to my latitude right there. Yes, but yeah, poloscope right there. I think we have blowers in sight anyway. All that's locked down, so yeah, should be good. Hopefully, maybe. So, gonna go finish my slug brew here. Yes. We've just set up. We have focused. We are looking at the Andromeda galaxy. So I've just found a star here. Gonna do my calibration. Yeah. So here goes nothing.
I'll set you free, I promise. There's no time to lose. The world is closing in, and we're still here.
Right. Oh, guiding. Okay. So let's take a look at the calibration. Yes. So as it looked, this actually moved out a bit. Nice even steps. Not perfect though. Yeah, but anyway. We'll see. I'm gonna start might do a little guiding assistant run here. See how it goes. Yeah, the polar alignment is going to be a big thing. It's just gonna say like, fuck are you doing, boy? Now let's see. What do we have here? Well, exposure 1.5 to 3.5 seconds, so I'm just staying in the low polar alignment. Error is horrible. Try to have a minimum of 0.11, minimum in declination 0.17. Backlash is small, no compensation needed. Try losing low pass for declination guiding. How does it look? Oh, look at that. That's actually quite good. I'm happy with that. Yeah. That's quite good. I've never seen actually any mount so far this good, this linear. I mean, it's not, the slope is slightly larger, so but it's like it's linear and it's quite even. I like that. Yeah. So it suggests low pass 2 for declination guiding. Should we do that? Let's just go with the suggested, and then we just, yeah. Let's go. Let's just do some imaging, eh? See if that works. Let's do like, I don't know. Let's just go for 122 minute, 120 seconds. So how is our guiding going? So we have like 1.2 in right ascension and 1.5 in declination. Yeah. And with our horrible polar alignment. Yeah. Fuck it. Let's go. Let's do it. Here we go. Target. I don't even have to start the imaging camera. All I want is to see how I'm guiding. So even guiding error in right ascension and declination. So that calls for like means round stars anyway, kind of, which is good. I mean, if you can have perfect guiding in one and shit in the other, then I mean it's gonna be crap, won't it? Depends on the error then, I guess, but yeah. Sorry, I do like to see that. It looks so much nicer. Alright. So, we should have an image, yeah? Oh, look at that. So, I haven't done any framing whatsoever. None whatsoever. But, yeah. Stars looks fairly nice around, yeah? Still thinking here, should I have been going out to fix the polar alignment and done a or should I just, I think I'll just leave this running just to see how things are going, if we have any gremlins showing up or anything else. If this is like a consistent thing, that is very promising. I pretty much just want to get an image in, and so I can just maybe calibrate one just to get a first light image with a new mount. Yeah, I'm satisfied with the guide data though. Yeah, considering the fact that we have had a polar alignment error of 1 degree. Yeah, that is substantial. So sorting that, I think, would make this wonderful.
What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor?
Okay, so morning. We got a sun in our face. Yes, it's too early for that, really. So I don't know how yesterday went. It started out okay, anyway. I think. It was very nice. Yeah. Polar alignment was real shit. Don't know really if I need to rethink the position of this, but I mean, to me it looks pretty good. Yeah. So anyway, we were about 1 degree off. So yeah. What else? Yeah, I'm just gonna have to download all the data and take a look at it. And so I'm gonna do that now. I will also do flats just in case, just because I keep that practice in. As you can see here, I put a little wedge down under the front foot to level it. That was actually quite alright. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's go.